Hello students, you are watching KASHYAP tutorial and I am PRABHAKAR Acharya. Students, we have started explanation of Chitrakavya, that is 13th chapter for entire Sanskrit, and this chapter is also for composite. So remember, this chapter's intention is for Kanthasthi Karnartham, that means learning by heart. So from this chapter, slokas will be asked to complete the verses, and also one line answer, that is एक वाक्य न उत्तरता, देन विशेषण फाइंड आउट करने के लिए आ सकता है, देन संधि ब्रेक करने के लिए आ सकता है, एंड ऑल्सो माध्यम भाषा कैन बी आस्क्ड फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर्स. So be ready, be prepared, and try to understand each and every slokas, each and every sentences. So are you ready? So let's start first with first sloka's explanation. First we'll see accent pronunciation of first sloka. Then we'll see sandhi if there will be any, and then samas and other words, and then we'll come to anvay, meanings and translation. So let's start first with pronunciation. The first sloka is, you can see here it is written Vrittam Anushtup. इसका छंद जो है अनुष्टुप है. The most of slokas of Bhagavad Gita are written in Anushtup chanda. So let's start first and just see this sloka. Why this chapter name is Chitrakav? Because through the picture, this chapter, this slokas or this meaning is explained here. So there are four pictures. In one picture, Krishna is scaling or beating a person lying on the floor. In second picture, we can see the people are taking bath in a river. In third picture, we can see farmer is cultivating land, and in the fourth picture is sitting on a we can see that is a big stone with the blankets. So let's start first with accent. सबसे पहले हम उच्चारण देखते हैं कि इसका उच्चारण क्या है. Are you ready with pencil to underline the important words? Let's start. कंसन जघान कृष्ण. First line is कंसन जघान कृष्ण का शीतल वाहिनी गंगा केदार पोषण रताः कम बलवंतम न बाधते शीतम. Once again see, कंसन जघान कृष्णः का शीतल वाहिनी गंगा केदार पोषण रताः कम बलवंतम न बाधते शीतम. So this is antarala type question, sloka. These questions are asked here and the answer are hidden over there only. So let's find out first संधि. अगर इसमें कोई भी संधि है तो फर्स्ट हम लोग वो कोशिश करेंगे फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. So in the very first line there is no sandhi word. In second line, Kashital Vahini is also not a sandhi, as well as not in third line and not in fourth line. तो यहाँ पे संधि नहीं है बट समास वर्ड है. तो दार पोषण रता, तो दार पोषण रता मीन्स दार पोषणे रता, दैट इज सप्तमी तत्पुरुष समास. दार पोषणे rataha. You can see samas here. Now let's find out meaning first. Then we'll rearrange this slokas in a sentence format. Come. Come means to whom? Come means to whom? Kisko? Sanjaghana. That is perfect past tense, which is called little agar. Sanjaghana is perfect past tense form, means kill. Whom did? Kill. Krishna. Krishna means Lord Krishna. Whom did Lord Krishna kill? That is very first question. The second line is ka. Ka means who or what. Sheetal Vahini. Sheetal Vahini means flowing coolly or coolly flowing. Sheetal means cool. Vahini means flowing. Ganga. So which river Ganga is flowing coolly? Third line is K. K means who. That is Kahakauke plural form who. Dara Poshanarataha. Dara Poshanarata means engaged in looking after wife. Who are engaged in looking after wife. This is third line. And the fourth one is come. Come is to whom. Kahakauke come. It is Dutiya Ekvajan. Balvantam to a mighty person to whom a mighty person to whom mighty person. No badhate No means not. Badate is Atmanepad Latlakar means trouble. Shitam is cold. So whom does cold do not trouble? किसको ठंडी परेशान नहीं करती है और करता है. So this is the questions and answer. Just see how the answer you will get. Consum. Consum if you join first two letters, which is highlighted here also. Consum. So the whom did Krishna kill? Answer will be Consum. In second line, Kashital Vahini Ganga. So if you join the first word with the second word, first letter with the second word, so it becomes Kashital. Kashital means flowing in Kasi. Third one is Kedar Poshanarata. So if you split the word, if you break the word Dar Poshanarata and Dar, if you add with the K, so Kedar, it becomes Kedar means that is farmer. And Kam Balvantam Nabadate Shitam, if you join Kam Balvantam, Kam को बलवंत के साथ में आप ऐड करोगे, it become Kam Balvantam, which meaning will be the person who is having blanket. Now see Anvay. Anvay and also is a meaning. Yes, so Chitra Kavya. Just see the first sloka's explanation. Anvay. Krishnaha kansam jaghana. That is subject. Krishnaha kansam jaghana. That is first question. Ka Sheetal Vahini Ganga. A second sentence, second question. Kedar Poshan Rataha is a third question. And Kam Balvantam Sheetam Na Badhate. So ये sequence है अन्वय में to get the meaning. Now see the translation. Translation. Whom did Krishna kill? Whom did Krishna kill? Krishna kill. So answer is Kansa. Lord Krishna killed two Kans. Lord Krishna ने कंस को मारा. तो answer is you can see by joining the first word with the second word's beginning. So it becomes Kansam. Then the next question is which is cool flowing river Ganga? Which is cool flowing river Ganga? So its answer will be in Kasi, the river Ganga that is flowing through Kasi. The river Ganga that is flowing through Kasi, वह river Ganga, वह गंगा नदी जो काशी से होके गुजरती है. The third question is who is engrossed in looking after the wife? Who is engrossed in looking after the wife? इसका आंसर इज केदारा. तो फर्स्ट वर्ड लिया के और दार पोषण रताहा का दार शब्द ऐड करने से इट बिकम केदारा. दैट मीन्स द फार्मर, the one who is engrossed in taking care of the field. And the last question is which strong man is not affected by the cold? Which strong man is not affected by the cold? And the answer will be Kambalbantam. So you can see Kam was the first word separately written and Balbantam jo separately likha tha. So by joining this letter it becomes Kambalbantam and the answer is the one who has a blanket. Now see explanation. Why explanation? Suppose this श्लोकस क्वेश्चन माध्यम भाषा में आता है तो आपको explanation लिखना ही चाहिए. That the if you are writing just translation that will not be enough to get full marks. So you must understand means explanation of the slokas. The explanation is this sloka, this slok is the example of antaralapa. Here are four different questions along with their answers within. It is based on Sabdalangar. One can obtain the answer of given question either by joining or dividing letters. Just as Kansan Jaghana Krishna, that was first question, means whom did Krishna kill? The answer is the answer Kansa is obtained by joining the first two letters. Second is Kashital Vahini Ganga, which is cool river Ganga. The answer is flowing in Kasi. That river Ganga flowing in Kasi. The third one is who is engrossed in looking after a wife? Who is engrossed in looking after a wife? The answer is Kedar Poshanarata, means Kedaraha. Kedara means the farmer. And the next question is which means the ones who are engrossed in taking care of the field. And the last question, Kambalvantam Nabadhate Shitam, Means which strong man is not affected by the cold? The answer is Kambalbantam. This is obtained by joining the first three letters. So this is the explanation of the first sloka. Now see questions based on first sloka. Now see questions based on the very first sloka. The question is Punvakyena uttaram likhata. Punvakyena uttaram likhata. That means here the three questions are there. See first Punvakyena uttarata. The first question is Krishna kansan jaghana. Kam jaghana. Krishna kan jaghana. So answer is Krishna kansam jaghana. Krishna kansam jaghana. Second one is Dar poshne ke rataha. Dar poshne ke rata. So its answer is Kedar poshan rataha. Dar poshne rataha. Kedar poshan rataha. Dar poshne rata. Or either you can write Kedaraha. Dar poshne rataha. And the third question is Kam Shitam na badate. Kam Shitam na badate. And answer is Kambalbantam Shitam na badate. So this is Purnavakya and Uttaram Likhata. Now this is second number. समानार्थक शब्दम लिखा था समानार्थक शब्दम लिखा था दैट इज स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक द के ऊपर अनुस्वार भी आएगा सो इट विल बी सो सी समानार्थक शब्दम लिखा था कृष्ण गंगा रतः बलवान कृष्ण मीन्स माधव केशव मुरारी दामोदर एनी वन यू कैन राइट सिंपल वर्ड गंगा दैट इज विष्णुपदी जहनुतनया सुर निम्नगा जाह्नवी Bhagirathi. So any word you can write. Ratah means Leenah or Magnah and Balwan means Shaktishali. So these are Samanarthi Shabd. Samanarthak Shabd है. Now गंगा इति पद से विशेषणम अन्विष्यता लिखा था गंगा शब्द का विशेषण फाइंड आउट करके लिखना है तो गंगा पद का विशेषण है शीतल वाहिनी शीतल वाहिनी is विशेषण adjective of Ganga. So these are the questions based on first sloka. Now let's start second sloka's pronunciation and then we will see sandhis if there will be samas or any other important words. This is second sloka. वृत्तम इज शार्दूल विक्रीडितम शार्दूल विक्रीडित इसका छंद है and it's excellent this sloka is very excellent very good and also melodious in reciting and listening so see the pronunciation of this sloka रे रे चातक सावधान मनसा मित्रक्षणम श्रूयताम अम्भोदा बहवोऽपि सन्ति गगने सर्वेऽपि नैतादृशाः केचित् वृष्टिभिराद्रयन्ति वसुधां गर्जन्ति केचिद् वृथा यं यं पश्यसि तस्य तस्य पुरतो मा ब्रूहि दीनं वचः. This anyukti means actually it is said to a man, suggested to a man that the honest man and also the person who is having respect, self-respect. So it is suggested to that person, but through the birds. Once again, see is a pronunciation that different way that will help you to learn easily. रे रे चातक सावधान मनसा मित्रक्षणं श्रूयताम् अम्भोदावहवोऽपि सन्ति गगने सर्वेऽपि नेतादृशा केचिद्वृष्टिभिरार्द्रयन्ति वसुधां गर्जन्ति केचिद्वृथा यं यं पश्यसि तस्य तस्य पुरतो मा ब्रूहि दीनं वचः. दिस इज अनदर वे टू लर्न श्लोकास. सो अगर आपको ट्यून मालूम है तो आप इजीली लर्न कर सकते हो. नाउ सी संधि फर्स्ट. Sandhi, there is no Sandhi in the very first line, but in the second line, Ambhodaha, that is Ambhodaha adhik Bahava adhik Api. So in the very second line, there are three words combined. Ambhodaha, Visarg Sandhi, Visarg has been dropped. Bahavo is Bahavaha adhik Api, Purvarup Sandhi. Then Sarve adhik Api, Sarve adhik Api. Again, Sandhi is Na adhik etadrishaha. न अधिक एतादृशा. This is वृद्धि संधि type. Then वृष्टिभिः अधिक आर्द्रयन्ति. Vrushtiभिः अधिक आर्द्रयन्ति. So these are sandhi. And one more sandhi is here. Puratah adhik ma. Puratah adhik ma. That sandhi is I show you at last after explanation. So these are the sandhi. Now see, first I show you Anvay. See the Anvay. रे रे मित्र चातक सावधान मनसा क्षणम श्रूयताम गगने. I show you that slokas, then we'll come to explanation. See the Anvay. रे रे मित्र चातक सावधान मनसा क्षणम श्रूयताम गगने बहवः अम्भोदाः अपि सन्ति परं सर्वे अपि नैतादृशाः भवन्ति. केचित् अम्भोदाः वृष्टिभिः वसुधाम् आर्द्रयन्ति केचित् अम्भोदाः वृथा गर्जन्ति. त्वं यं यं पश्यसि तस्य तस्य पुरतः दीनं वचः मा ब्रूहि. So this is Anvay. Now see the meaning of the words. Re re mitra means oh friend. Chatak means bird chatak. Savadhan mansa. Savadhan mansa means attentively, carefully. Kshanam. Kshanam is for a moment. Shruyatam. Listen. Listen for a moment. Gagane. Gagane means Akashe means in the sky. Bahavaha. Bahava is Visheshan of Ambhodaha. Bahava means many. Ambhodaha means clouds. Api santi. Api means also. Santi are there. So there are many clouds in the sky. Param, but sarve api. Sarve means all clouds. No etadrishaha bhavanti. But all clouds are not alike. Means all clouds are not alike, are unique, are equal. Kechit, Kechit with some, Ambhodaha, some clouds, Vrushtivhi, Vrushtivhi means with the rain, with showering rain, Vasudham, Vasudham is to the earth, Ardrayanti, wait. So it is some clouds with the earth by showering rain. Kechit, Kechit means some, Ambhodaha, clouds, Vrutha Garjanti, Vrutha means in vain, in no use. Garjati means roar. So some clouds roar in vain, of no use. Tvam is you. Yam yam pasyasi, whichever cloud you see. Tasya tasya purada. Tasya means in front. Tasya means his or in front of them to those clouds. Dinam vachaha. Dinam is your poor, pitiable word. Vacham is word. Ma bruhi. Do not speak. You do not appeal in front of them. So this is meaning of the words. Now see the translation. Translation is, O Chatak, my friend, please listen carefully for a moment. O Chatak, my friend, please listen carefully for a moment. There are innumerable clouds in the sky, but all are not alike. Few humidify, few humidify the earth by showering rain. However, few just rose in vain. Therefore, do not speak pitiable words in front of whichever cloud you see. So this is the translation, this is the meaning of the slokas. And actually this sloka is said to a man कि आप जिस रिच मैन को देखते हो, किसी धनी आदमी को देखते हो, तो हर एक के सामने हाथ मत फैलाओ. अगर आप अपना ईमान बचाना चाहते हो, अगर आप में थोड़ा भी रिस्पेक्ट है, तो उनके सामने आपको अपील नहीं करना चाहिए, रिक्वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, अपने दुख का कारण नहीं बताना, दुख को व्यक्त नहीं करना चाहिए. क्योंकि उसमें से कुछ ही लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो डोनेट कर, जो हेल्प करने में बिलीव करते हैं, बाकी हंसते हैं. तो सेम थिंग इज सेड. नाउ सी एक्सप्लेनेशन बैक, बिकॉज एक्सप्लेनेशन इज important to understand this sloga. So explanation is, this is the example of a poetic form named Anyokti, speech directed to other. Here, the Chatak bird is a harbinger of monsoon and it is assumed to drink water directly from the cloud. So, it is said that it is imaginary bird, and this said that the bird chatak directly drink water from the cloud. So some clouds are best givers of water, but some may roar. So the poet suggests Chadak not to ask for water to the roaring clouds. In a way, the poet wants to indicate poor people not to beg to all people, all are not generous. So this is translation of this second sloka. Now see important questions, Sandhi, Samas and Punvakya and Uttarata based on this sloka. Now see the questions. First is Punvakya and Uttaram Likata. Gagne ke santi. So answer is Gagne bahva ambodaha santi. You can see the words are highlighted here and underlined. That is replace with the K. K word. That is question word. So K को replace कर दिया amboda bahva amboda. This is first question. Second one is कः कविम मित्र इति संबोधयति मीन्स कवि कम मित्र इति संबोधयति कवि कम मित्र इति संबोधयति मीन्स टू whom the poet is addressing as friend. So answer is कवि चातकम मित्र इति संबोधयति. So this is second and its answer is कवि चातिका मित्र इति संबोधयति. And the third question is जलदाः काम आर्द्रयन्ते. जलदाः means clouds. To whom uh, do clouds wait or humidify? So answer is जलदाः वसुधाम आर्द्रयन्ति. So answer आप देख सकते हो underline किया हुआ. So this way you should write the answer. Now come to sandhi word. Sandhi is Sandhi Vigram is Ambhodaha. So Ambhodaha Adik Bahava Adik Api that we have already seen. Second is Sarbe Adik Api. Third one is Na Adik Etadrusha. Fourth one is Vrushtibhi Adhik Ardrayanti. And the last one is Purutah Adhik Ma. So ye word Purutah Adhik Ma. These are the sandhis in this sloka. Now come to Melanam Kurta Visheshan. So मिलनम कुरुता बहवह अम्भोदाह अम्भोदा का विशेषण है बहवह एंड वचः का विशेषण है दीनम वचः वचः इज नपुंसकलिंग एंड दीनम इज ऑल्सो नपुंसकलिंग वचः इज वचः शब्द तो सकारांत. Now the last second last is that is सूचनानुसारम कृति गुरुता. Do as directed. Ambodaha vasudham ardrayanti. So kartrupadam ekvachane parivartayata. So you can see this sentence is in plural form. ये sentence बहुवचन में Ambodaha vasudham ardrayanti. So it become Ambodaha and vasudham ardrayati. आप देख सकते हो कर्ता और क्रिया एक वचन में कन्वर्ट हुआ ऑब्जेक्ट वैसा ही है. एंड द सेकेंड वन इज त्वम दीनम वचः मा ब्रूहि. सो त्वम स्थाने भवान योज्यता. त्वम की जगह पे आपको भवान यूज करना है. इन द प्लेस ऑफ त्वम यू हैव टू यूज भवान. And when we have to change bhavan in the place of tom, then the sentence become third person. Tom dinam vacha mabruhi was in second person, but when bhavan is used, it become third person. Bhavan dinam vacha ma bravitu. So this is the answer of do as directed. Now the last samas here. Savadhan savadhanam manah Tena Karmadhara Samas. Where this word is, the Savadhana Manasa, that is in Tritiya Vibhakti form. And there are two words. Savdhana Mana is one. Savdhan is one word. And Mana is the another word. So Savdhan Mana Tena Karmadhara Samas. Because Mana ka visheshan hai Savdhanam. And Ambha Dadati iti Upa Tatpurus Samas. Ambha Dadati iti Tatpurus Samas. So these are the Samas word, Sandhis word, and answer based on sloka number 2. I hope you understood. Do practices, learn these slokas, do writing practice, and also prepare questions based on these two slokas. So in the third video, we'll see remaining slokas, means second, third, and fourth slokas. In this way, we'll complete this chapter, and very soon I will discuss about the question paper of last year. So thank you for watching this video. Keep on watching and do practice.